Let's learn Portal. Today I will explain how to use WebSphere Portal on Docker. WebSphere Portal is an enterprise software used to build and manage web portals. Portal is a web or J2EE application installed on an application server. Portal provides content aggregation, personalization, authorization and authentication. To use Portal on Docker, you have to create a fresh instance of Docker machine. This is necessary as WebSphere Portal needs more than 10 gigs of disk space. Then log into your newly created Docker machine using SSH command as shown in picture. Understand that Docker machine creation results in creation of a VirtualBox machine. Notice the base memory assigned is very low. Change the 1 GB setting to something more appropriate for your operating system. I have 8 gigs of RAM, so I will increase the base memory to 4 gigs. On your file system, you would notice that few files along with virtual machine disk file is created. It can grow up to 20 gigs in size. If the download of this 10 gig image is interrupted, you don't have resume capability. So attempt this only when you are in a high speed network connectivity. After downloading 60% of the image, I hit a network glitch. I know that close to 7 gigs of data is saved on my laptop, but there is no way for me to resume the download. I have to start again. Use this opportunity to change RAM and CPU setting of VirtualBox. First, stop your Docker image. First, stop your Docker machine. Then, change RAM allocation to 4 gigs and CPU core to the max that you have. Then, start Docker image and SSH into it. Download again and pray that your network does not break. After I modified the VirtualBox settings, Docker now has resume capability. Notice that it is downloading 6.7 gigs instead of 10 gigs. Extracting the downloaded tar file failed with error, no space left on device. Increase virtual disk size and download again. Disk size has been increased to 99 gigs. CPU and RAM settings have been altered using command line. My struggle has finally paid off. Download is complete. Execute Docker run command to start the container. Always use the name argument when running your container. I have chosen WPS as the name. I can use this to start the container after I switch off my machine and come back the next day. I have verified that Portal is running using Bash console. Next, we will verify with web interface. Success. Username and password is WPS admin. This is Portal Express Edition version 9 trial software released for evaluation purpose. Let me know in comments if you prefer Docker installation to normal Windows exe. Which software model is better? Reply in comments.